Hey, what's going on? It's James Canzanelli, your Affilio Hero, and in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is giving you a great email marketing tutorial, especially if you're kind of a beginner / intermediate, you know the power of email marketing, you want to get into it. This is pretty much going to help you when it comes to your first follow-up email, because usually what happens is once you get someone on your email list, they're going to receive a follow-up, which is going to be automated. Here's what you should talk about, here's what you should do, here's what you shouldn't do. That's pretty much everything I'm going to be talking about. Now, before we get into it, hello, my name is James Canzanelli. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. So if you like videos, tutorials, and trainings and reviews and software and stuff very similar to what I'm talking about in this video, feel free to subscribe, as I'll be putting out many more videos like this as I have in the past and will do so in the future. If you aren't new to this channel, hello, great to have you back, and let's pretty much dive right into it. So I'm going to be using GetResponse. This is what I use for my email marketing. And pretty much like I said before, this is going to be the first email that goes off. So a few things what we want to do. I'm just going to talk about like benefits / what you want to do. Okay, so this is the first time ever hearing from you. You probably gave them like a freebie, a cheat sheet, something that they like that they can obviously download. You make sure you want to give that to them. So we'll talk about let them know who you are / why they are getting this email, because you might have done this in the past, or maybe you went to sign up for something, or you signed up for a lot of things, but you're like, where the hell did I sign up for this? By addressing that question, they're not going to be like, okay, this isn't spam, I actually requested this, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's see where they can get their freebie. Okay, if they opted into your email list, it's usually for like getting a free cheat sheet, video, training, tutorial, whatever it's going to be. What they are going to be seeing in the future, okay, future pacing, and pretty much like signing off / cliffhanger, okay? So you can edit it up a little, you know, use a little more, use a little less, it's going to be up to you, but this is kind of what I like focusing on in the first email. So starting with number 1, let them know who you are and why they are getting this email. I want to say, hey, thank you. Thank you for opting in to get your, I don't know, complimentary cheat sheet. My name is XYZ, and I'm a full-time plumber. I'm just making that up. Okay, it's funny. Plumber, affiliate marketing. Anyway, okay. Next. Let's see. So without any further ado, you can get the cheat sheet down below that you recently requested. Okay, and then what I like doing is like click here to download your cheat sheet that you requested. Okay, this pretty much lets them know that, like, yes, I did enter in my email. I did want to get this affiliate cheat sheet that has all these great offers to promote whatever it's going to be. Obviously, your niche is going to be different. If you're not an affiliate marketer, that's fine. If you have your own stuff or you're giving away something else, whatever it's going to be, just make sure you change that and accommodate it to what you're going to be doing, okay? So we pretty much knocked off those first 2 things, okay, very quickly, okay? Next, we have 3. What are they going to be seeing in the future? Aside from getting your download above, you will also be seeing in these emails. Okay, so what are some of the biggest benefits when it comes to your niche and what someone's looking for? So I'll talk about affiliate marketing. What are some of the biggest things that people will look for? So some of the hottest offers to promote, where you can get no cost traffic, is put without spending money on ads. Obviously, if it's no cost, where you can say where you can get high quality traffic, and what else? And how to let's put and remove and how to increase your affiliate conversions with one simple page, and you can do like and a ton more. Seriously. Okay, seriously. Whatever. It's just pretty much a few bullet points and benefits. I like talking about that if someone saw that, like, wow, I really want to know how to do that. Or for example, like how to make 4-figure commissions or commissions. If someone saw that, they'd be like, wow, I definitely want to look into, affiliate marketing more. I want to see what he's going to be sending out because that sounds like a really great benefit. That's kind of the idea you want to do, is that make these as sexy, so to speak. Depending on your niche, you're going to need to know what that is. Okay. But that's what they're going to be seeing in the future. You could do a few more if you want. That's going to be up to you. But these are going to be in future emails. Like if you're doing follow-ups, which is what I do, I look ahead, I plan ahead, I say, what am I going to be talking about? And then I'll put those in right here. Okay, so, and then last but not least, that's about it. Thanks again, and talk soon. I'll do like cans, and then PS. This doesn't have to be a PS. It could be with it right here, but what you want to do is signing off / cliffhanger. If you've ever seen Dexter before, pretty much any really popular show, I don't know if Game of Thrones was good at doing it. I know Dexter was really good at doing it. It's pretty much something where it happens at the end and they leave you on the edge of a cliff like, what's going to happen? I have to watch next week's episode. It's a great way to hook you. And it's the same thing when it comes to email marketing. Right now without this, it's like, all right, pretty cool. We got some cool stuff coming up. But if I say, hey, PS, make sure you keep a lookout for my next email, as I have another, free training for you valued at, $2,000. So let's type in something like that. So keep a lookout for my next email, as I have free training for you valued at, $2K. You don't want to miss. I know you can't see that, but you have to do this. There you go. You can see it now. You don't want to miss it, okay? Also, what I would do is actually go back and kind of remove as many free words as possible. Sometimes free can be a spam trigger, because a lot of people use that, for like spamming stuff where it's like free this, free that, free this. So that's actually one. Thank you. That's why I put complimentary right here, cheat sheet. Let's see. Click here to download that you requested. Let's see. And this could be like free traffic, but I said without spending money on ads. So that's another good way to do that. As I have another, say, gift training for you. You could say something like that, valued at $2,000. Okay, you don't want to miss it. So that's just another example. Okay. So if we remove this, we pretty much did everything that we wanted to talk about. You'll also notice that this email isn't very long. Me personally, you can do longer emails. Your click-through rates are generally going to be much less. They can be, you can obviously increase your conversions that way, because you're going to be getting less people clicking on your links, but usually they're more targeted, especially if they read a very long email. That's going to be up to you. A lot of people have a style where they just want to create like this really, really long blog post worth of an email. I'm not big on that. I usually like it to be around this size, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. But I want to give the person a good idea of what's going to be on the other side of the link, so I don't make it too long. Usually if I'm sending to training or a review or a pre-sale page, that's going to have most of the content, the videos, the information, and so on and so forth. So for me personally, I don't like doing a ton of information in this email, but that's my preference. Plus, it's also going to be much quicker for you to pump these out. Okay, so once again, let's go over this. Hey, thank you for opting in to get your complimentary cheat sheet. My name is XYZ, and I'm a full-time plumber. Might as well just put Mario, okay? Mario and Luigi, Mario? Mario? Video game? Anyway, enough of the plumber jokes. I get it, okay? So without any further ado, you can get the cheat sheet down below that you recently requested. And I pretty much just put the same thing in right there, okay? This would be a link. Link them to wherever your thank you page is or your cheat sheet is, whatever it's going to be. Aside from getting your download above, you will also be seeing in these, I'll put future emails, some of the hottest offers to promote where you can get high quality traffic without spending money on ads, how to increase your affiliate conversions with one simple page, and a ton more. Seriously, okay? That's about it for now. Thanks again, and talk soon. Or we could just do this. One line. Okay? Cans, PS, keep a lookout. This is signing off. You can put your name. I just put cans usually. Keep a lookout for my next email, as I have another gift training for you valued at $2,000. You don't want to miss it. Okay, so that's kind of like one of those where at the end of Dexter, they're like, oh my God, is he going to get away with it? I don't know. Let's find out, and make you wait till next week. Okay, this is the same thing. You could add a little bit mystery to it. Make sure you don't let them know exactly. You could say something like, others have paid $97 for this, but for you, you don't have to pay a penny. You can say stuff like that, or you'll be getting a gift where it shows you how I did this, or a case study, whatever it's going to be, something that your subscribers are really going to want. Obviously, if you don't have one of those, you don't have to use it. Like I know in one of my follow-ups, I might not have that because it goes to a specific training. However, I can, just obviously kind of add a little cliffhanger there. That's going to be up to you. Like if you don't use that, it's not going to be the end of the world. It's just kind of giving you an extra idea of something that you can put in there, okay? And that's about it. I hope you got some good information out of this. Like I said, it's very simple to do. This would be the first follow-up. It's easy to do. It's simple to do. It pretty much follows a template, and you pretty much can't get lost in the process as long as you follow through with these things. Also, one last thing, when it comes to your actual subject line, I actually like using similar subject line as I do to the link that's going to be here. So let's just say this was whatever. Disclaimer, do not send your traffic to AOL. They have enough traffic. That would just be where your link goes so you can see it here. The actual subject line would be like, click here to download, the cheat sheet that you requested. Something like that. Because if someone clicks on the actual subject line to open the email, there's a good chance that they're going to click on this as well since they already have a micro commitment for it. Okay, so that's about it. I think I already went over all the good stuff. I wrapped it up. If you like this, feel free to leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave a comment down below. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do that. And if you'd like to try out GetResponse, I think they have a free 30-day trial, absolutely free. We can actually go in and test out sending emails just like I did and follow along. Feel free to do that as well. Okay, I'm James Canzanella. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.